Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to trim video in Instagram story. So to do that, let me show you a video that I have started editing on my Instagram. So I have started editing this video as a post. So go to edit video and here you can trim your video from here. Just tap on any place. Suppose I'm tapping here and tap on split. And now it has splitted this part. Now tap on the split part, and if you want to delete it, just tap on discard and tap on discard again, and that part from your video is now deleted. Now you can go back and just go back again, and here you can save the video if you want. Like from here, tap on the save icon. Here, save to camera roll. Now this video is saved on your camera roll by Instagram, and it is currently processing. And once it is saved, just go tap on start again, and here go to the story and tap on that edited or trimmed video, and now you can post it on your story of your Instagram. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.